yeah, had a package arrive. I have opened it, but only because there's nothing worse than people opening things on YouTube that are covered in grease, and I really don't want to be handling that. Precision machine vise. It's a 3-inch vise. Unfortunately, it's the pin style, because I couldn't get one with slots. And as you can see, what else do you need to go with your milling vise? But some parallels. 4 sets from 1/4 inch to 1 inch. Nothing fancy, but they do the job. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with this. It was £55. Now, I couldn't have even bought the material for that sort of price. It just wasn't even worth bothering with. Yeah, the finish on it is pretty damn good. So obviously the back drawer's got, oh hang on, you can't really see that. Yeah, the back drawer's got the 2 slots in it with a smooth front jaw, and yeah, quite happy with it. Seems to be pretty yeah, it seems to be pretty well made. I'm not expecting it to be perfect for 55 quid at all. It was literally £55 posted to my door, and it arrived the day after I ordered it. So, I mean, you could spend hundreds, and I just couldn't justify that after spending that on the mill. So, yeah, the set of parallels as well. They were like 23 quid, which was really hard to find parallels that were not 6 inches, which is twice the size of the vise. So I was limited by choice, really. Sorry, I said 1 inch, but they're 7/8. So yeah. Anyway, but yeah, just a short little mill and vise video, and I'll pop it out to the garage and we'll have a look at fitting it. Well, overall my first impressions of it are pretty good. It feels nice and smooth, locks in every position, parallels work a treat on it. So yeah, remains to be seen if it's going to be any good. I'm going to have to come up with some way of clamping it, because I've only got the 2 slots on the end, the rest is hold. So somewhere I've got a couple of clamps. I'm not sure where they are. I'll have to try and find them. They're just odd ones I picked up from a car boot somewhere, and I'm probably going to see if I can mount it the wrong way to begin with, to machine some clamps. I think is the way I'm going to do it. So yeah, just yeah, quick little overview. If anyone's got one of these, and I'd be interested to hear what you think of it as well. It's always handy to know. But I'm itching to get some chips turning, so right.